Ready to level up your fishing game? Introducing the Hexacatcher, your secret weapon for underwater success. This isn't just any fishing net. It features a unique 6-hole hexagonal design, perfect for snagging shrimp, crabs, and fish on all your adventures. Crafted from durable nylon, the Hexacatcher is tough enough for any expedition. Its clever design maximizes your catch potential by luring in targets from all angles. Lightweight and easily collapsible, it's your ideal companion for hassle-free transport and quick setup. With the Hexacatcher, unleash your inner angler and make every fishing trip a success. Get ready for bigger catches and unforgettable outdoor memories.